Welcome back to my channel Abhinav. Today I will show you how to make the background color changing app. So let's start. First, go, go inside the Google and type MIT App Inventor. Here is the link. Click on Create Apps. Now it will ask for the Gmail account. So choose the one you want. And let's start a new project. Click on Start New Project. Give some project name. I'll give the project name Background Color Changing App. Please don't give space between the words. Click on OK. Now it's a screen where you have to make the designing part. This is the part which will show the user on the mobile screen when we will start this app. So let's start. Click on Layout. Drag the vertical arrangement. Now in Properties palette, click on Height. Fill Parent. Click OK. And Width also fill Parent. Click on OK. Now you can see our vertical arrangement is covering the whole screen. Now click on User Interface. Now drag the image, then drag one button. Click on Vertical Arrangement 1 in the Components panel. Here in the Properties panel you can see Align Horizontal. Click on Center 3. Now click on Image. There is a height. Let's take 80%. And let's take the width 80%. Okay. Now you can see my image is almost on the full screen. I think the height is too big. So let's short the height. Let's take 70%. Okay. Now it's okay. Now click on button 1. Font bold. Now click on font size. I want my font size around 32. And font typeface. Font typeface is the style you want to write. So I'll take sans serif. Here is the style and the font you can see easily. Now next we will make the height and width is okay. So let's make the button 1 rounded, which will cut the corners. Let's take the background color as black and text color as white. Now in text you can write click me or the thing you want. Text color is none. Wait a second. Here is white. Click me is too short, so let's make the height and width normal. Height is okay and width is small. So let me take the width 65%. I think it would be okay. Now it's all right. So this is the thing you will be seeing on your user's phone, but here the image is empty. So let's put any image. Go on Google, search as the image you want. I'll be choosing Android PNG image. Here it is. You can take any image you want. I'll choosing this one. Not this one, it will not be nice. Uh, we can take this one. Yes, it's good. So let's now edit it. Let us edit. So effects. I don't want effects. I have cropped my image and saved in the DCIM screenshots. So let's get back to our MIT App Inventor website. Here I am. So here it in the media, upload file, choose file, files, open from images. So I got it. Let's click on it and OK. It's now OK. An image, picture, drop down box. I want picture. Here's the file. Click on OK. And here's the image. The image came. Now this is the screen you will be seeing when the app is once made. So now let's make its functioning part. So I'll start with button 1. So drag the when button 1 dot click do. Now next I'll click on colors. Here it is make color, make a list. Now I'll click on vertical arrangement 1. Here I have set vertical arrangement 1 dot background color 2. So drag it and place it here. Now drag this one and join it here. Now it's all right. So click on math. Random integer from 1 to 100. We want almost 3 as RGB are 3 primary colors with whom all the colors will be made. So let's wait. I am dragging those. And I think you all be knowing that 255 is the highest number from which we can make the color highest range, and 0 is the lowest range. We don't have any negative integers in this. Now first I'll delete all these extra blocks. So let's drag it till the dustbin came, and make sure that you drag only the block, not the screen. If you are on a laptop, then it would be more easier. Now next, click all the tiles here and place it. It is going all right. Now here I want my place value of 255. So let's change it. 255 and click on OK. Now next, here I would be doing 0 as it is the lowest value, and in the greatest value I will be putting 255. So let me pay. I'll delete 100 and click it at 255. And here I am. I got my app completed. Now let's test it. Here click on build. App provide QR code for .api. Click on it. And here it is compiling the whole app. It will take 2 to 3 minutes, don't worry. It's 35%, now it's 50%. Wait for some more time. It's 100%, wait for a time. It will provide a QR code, you can scan it from another device. So let me take another device. You can scan this QR code from another phone, and when you scan it, the app will start working. It will ask for some changes, but then it will start working. So I'll show you the app working from this QR code in my next video. Till that, thanks, and thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.